Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. This is Ms. Fatma, teacher of class 2 from the Smart School Sir Syed Ahmed Khan campuses and Gulistan-e-Johar campus. Students, today we are going to discuss one of the chapter of your social studies book, that is The World We Live In, which is given on your book page number 10. Students, in this chapter we are going to discuss about Earth and the continents of the world, and we are also going to learn how to locate the continents in the world map. So let's get started. Students, do you all know which planet do we all live on? You all can see the picture of that planet in front of you. We live on the planet Earth. Yes, this planet is called Earth. The planet we live on is called Earth. It is made up of land and water. Students, this planet is made up of land. It has land in it and water in it. This is the picture of a globe. Basically, globe is the round model of Earth. Let's learn more about it. Students, you all can see the picture of Earth in front of you. The blue area which you can see in this picture represents water, and the green area represents the land. So in this picture of Earth, wherever you see the color blue, wherever you see blue color, that area has water in it. That area consists of water. And the green area, wherever you see the green area in this picture of Earth, that area has land. That area consists of land. 3/4 of the Earth consists of water. That means 3 portions of the Earth has water in it, while the remaining quarter consists of land. And the remaining quarter has land. The remaining quarter consists of land. That means Earth has more water in it. That means more area of the Earth is covered with water. This is the picture of a world map. When we flatten the globe, we get the map. So this is the picture of the world map having mentioned continents in them. The Earth's length is divided into large masses called continents. So students, let's learn more about continents. What is a continent? Do you all know what is a continent? Let me tell you. A continent is a large mass of land. That means when the land of the Earth is divided into large masses, those masses are called continents. There are 7 continents in the world. Students, there are 7 continents in the world. Let me name them. The first one is North America. Second one, South America. The next we have South America. And the third one, Europe. The third one is Europe. Then we have Africa, Asia. Then the next we have Australia. And the last one is Antarctica. Now students, let's learn about these continents one by one. The first one which we are going to discuss is North America. You all can see the picture. You all can see the continent of North America in this map. There's an arrow which is pointing towards the continent of North America. Students, North America is located at the top left corner of the world map. You all can see at the top left corner the continent of North America. It is the 3rd largest continent. You know students, it is the 3rd largest continent and is made up of 23 countries. Students, I hope you all are able to locate North America in the world map. That's good. Let's move on to the next one. South America. Now students, let's learn how to locate South America in the world map. South America is located at the bottom left corner of the world map. Students, you all can see at the bottom left corner, just below the continent of North America, there is the continent of South America. The continent of South America is present just below the continent of North America. It is the fourth largest continent and is made up of 12 countries. Next is Europe. Europe is at the top middle of the world map. Students, you all can see at the top of the map in the middle, there is the continent of Europe. It is the second smallest continent. That means it is the second smallest continent. It is not a big continent, it's a small continent. And third most populated continent. That means although it is the smallest, second smallest, but it has more population, it has more people living in it. It has nearly 50 countries in it. Next is Africa. Africa is in the middle of the world map. So it's very easy to locate Africa in the world map since it is in the middle. It is right in the middle of the world map. Africa is located right in the middle of the world map. Students, are you all able to locate Africa in the world map? Good. It is the second largest continent and has 54 countries. Next is Asia. Asia is located at the top right of the world map. At the top right of the world map, you all must be able to see the continent of Asia. It is the largest continent. Students, do you all know that among all the continents of the world, Asia is the largest continent? And do you all know something? Our country Pakistan is also located in the continent of Asia. You know, the country where we live, Pakistan, is also located in the continent of Asia. Asia has more people living there, more than any other continent. That is almost 4 billion, you know. There are almost 4 billion people living in Asia, more than any other continent. And there are 48 countries in it. There are 48 countries in Asia, so you all can understand how big it is. And the countries which are present in the continent of Asia includes Japan, Afghanistan, India, China, Iran, Iraq, Russia, Saudi Arabia, Sri Lanka, and United Arab Emirates, and many other countries as well. Next is Australia. Just now we studied about the largest continent. Now we are going to study about Australia, which is the smallest continent. Australia is located at the bottom right corner of the world map. At the right corner, at the bottom, you all can see the continent of Australia. And among all the other continents, it is the smallest continent. Students, Australia is the smallest continent and it has only one country in it. Australia has only one country in it. And do you all know what is the name of that country? The name of that country is also Australia. So Australia is the smallest continent. And which one is the largest continent? Asia is the largest continent. And the last one is Antarctica. Antarctica, you all must be able to locate Antarctica at the bottom of the world map. Antarctica is present at the bottom of the world map. It is the least populated continent. That means not many people live in Africa. There are very less people living in Antarctica. It is the continent that is completely covered with ice. You know, students, that the continent of Antarctica is completely covered with ice. Students, do you all find these all do you all find this learning about all these continents interesting? I hope you all have found this very interesting, and I hope that by this time you all must be able to locate the continents in the world map and have also learned the names of these continents. So let's have a quick review, students. Let me ask few questions from you. Students, how many continents are there in the world? There are 7 continents in the world. How many continents? There are 7 continents in the world. And which one is the largest continent? And the country Pakistan is also located in that continent. Do you all remember which continent is that? That is Asia. Asia is the largest continent. And which one is the smallest continent? Which one is the smallest continent? The smallest continent is Australia. Yes, students, the smallest continent is Australia. So students, I hope you all have understood how to locate the continents in the world map and have also learned the names of the continents. So students, I want all of you to practice this at your home. I want all of you to learn the names of these continents and also learn to locate them in the world map. I hope you all have enjoyed today's lesson very much. Thank you.